Hello everyone, this video is going to show you how to create a folder in Google Drive, how to upload files to that folder, how to create subfolders within the folder, and then also how to share the folder with another person. So first things first, you need to access Google Drive. You can do that in a myriad ways. You may already have an icon for the app on your desktop, on your laptop, or your PC. You may also have it as an app already available to click and access on your iPad or on your mobile phone. But you can also access it through the browser. If you go to google.com, as long as you're signed in, you will see all of these options up here. You will see the Google Apps option. You can also access this option through Gmail or through other Google services. As long as you're signed into Google, you're good to go. So just click that and find the Google Drive icon. Click that and it will bring you here. And so once you're here, say you are ready to create a new folder. To do that, just come over here, click the new button, and your first option is going to be folder. So you click that and it's going to open up a new folder pop-up, and here you can create a title for your folder. So let's just go ahead and say we want to do Google Drive test folder, and there you go. And it should show up on your main screen, again depending on the way it's laid out. You could have a list view, so it would look a little bit like this. But I have this view up here, so there you have it. To access the folder, it's easy enough. Just click it, and it will bring you to your folder. So now that you have a new folder, you don't have any files in there. It's very lonely. So you're going to want to put some files in here. So let's say that this is a folder that you're wanting to compile, let's say syllabi and assignments from different classes, from maybe Pillars classes that maybe you're going to have later on for a CAP 300 course. So what you'll want to do to upload files, you can do that a couple of different ways. The easiest way is going to be to just go into your documents area, or whatever device you're using, and find the document that you're wanting to upload. In this case, you can just very easily drag and drop it. I'm going to go ahead and use Library 101 as an example. Go ahead and drop the Library 101 syllabus in here. And now the syllabus is uploaded. So that's just the easy drag and drop option. The other way you can do it is if you're not able to drag and drop, you can just right click in here and it will give you the option to upload files. Okay, and so that's all you have to do. And then your file is going to be uploaded into your folder. So let's say though that now you have your syllabus in here, and we're just going to go ahead and say that we have like multiple assignments in here as well or something. And so what you're wanting to do now is make sure that you are organizing all of your assignments in your syllabi by courses. So that way you have it organized in that way, and it's not just a big, hodgepodge of syllabi and assignments just kind of thrown all around inside your main folder. So let's say you want to make a subfolder in here. Again, super easy to do. You can just right click in here and you have new folder. You can just click that, and you will now be able to create another new folder. So let's say we want to do Library 101. We'll click that, and now we have a Library 101 folder. You can also, again, within your main folder here, so your Google Test Drive folder, if you don't want to right click, or maybe you can't right click or whatever, you can go into your options for that, your drop down menu in that, and you can click new folder, and that will also allow you to create a new folder within that main folder. So you can start creating subfolders in that way and help organize your assignments and syllabi and different things. So now all you have to do is just take this, drag it, drop it into your new folder, and now you have your syllabus in your Library 101 folder, or whatever class you're dumping your information into. And so now you can do that with multiple classes. So let's say that now you have all of your stuff done, you're in a CAP 300 course, or maybe you're talking to an advisor and you want to be able to show that person all of the information you have collected so far in your main folder. So you'll want to share that folder with them. So how do you do that? Again, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is come up here to the Google Drive test folder and drop down. And you're going to see this option to share. You just click that. It will then pop up this menu here. And then all you have to do is just type in the individuals you want to put. So you'll type in their email address here, and you can type in as many people as you want. And then once you're done with that, you will click done, and it will email an invitation link to that person. They can then click that, and it will bring them back to the folder. They can then view the folder, view the contents, and see what you're doing. But let's say maybe you might need a link for some reason. Maybe you're going to text it to somebody, or you're going to send it in a different format than an email. To get the link, all you have to do is come down here. You can copy link, but you're also going to want to make sure that you change the restrictions on there. All right, so you want to make it as open as possible for anyone to be able to access it. So you can have it where anybody within Cougar University can view it, but let's say you're maybe going to be sending it to another email or to another individual that may not be a part of Cougar University, then you would want to make sure that you have that as anyone with the link. So anyone that has the link that you give this link to can view the contents of your folder. And once you're done with that, you can just copy link here, and you're done. And that's going to be it. So that is just a really easy kind of crash course into creating folders, subfolders, uploading documents, and sharing folders on Google Drive. Really appreciate you viewing this video. I hope it was informative. I hope it was helpful. And thank you, and have a fantastic day.